come sing of a hill, in the sun, tall and green, where Sam and his 6 woolly sheep can be seen. He counts them by ones, and by twos and threes. The smallest is Pip, with black woolly knees.
So shout if a wolf ever comes to the hill, and we'll all come at once. We will.
The hill is so wide, and the day is so long, and nobody comes when I'm singing my song. But if I cried, wolf, then somebody's near, and I wouldn't be all by myself up here. Wolf, wolf, there's a wolf on the hill. He's gray as a storm, and my sheep are all still.
We hear you, we're coming. We will, up over the meadow and over the hill. We came to the top, and we looked all around. Not a wolf, not a tail, not a paw on the ground.
I fooled you, it's only a joke. You came up so fast, that you puffed like smoke.
We left all our work, and we came up the track. You gave us a fright that you can't take back.
Tell the truth and they'll come when you call. Tell a lie and they won't come at all.
The very next morning, with sun climbing high, Sam looked at his flock, and told the same lie.
Wolf, wolf, there's a wolf on the hill. He's taking my sheep, and he's eating his fill.
We hear you, we're coming. We will, but it's such a long way to the top of the hill.
You called for a wolf when no wolf was near, so the next time you call, who's going to hear?
But nothing went wrong, and no harm was done. A joke is a joke, and a joke is just fun. Tell the truth and they'll come when you call. Tell a lie and they won't come at all.
That evening the sky went from gold into gray, and a real gray wolf came padding that way.
Wolf, wolf, there's a wolf on the hill. And this time it's true, you all said you will.
His cry floated down to the village below, but they'd heard it before, so they didn't go.
He lied to us twice, and we came to his call. Tell a lie and they won't come at all.
So nobody came, and the sheep ran and hid, and the wolf never caught them. He never did.
I counted my sheep by the last of the light, but 5 is not 6, and my Pip's out of sight. I lied, and now nobody comes when I call. I told them a lie, so they won't come at all.
You told us the truth, and that brings us here. Keep telling it true, and we'll always be near.
Tell the